Hello everyone, I'm Sakibul Ali Khan. Today we are going to set up DVWA using Docker. So how we can do that? First, we set up Docker in our system. Then we pull DVWA image from Docker Hub. Then we set up that in our system. Doing that, we need to first open our terminal. Give command sudo apt install docker.io. Press enter. Give your password. Press enter. It will install and set up Docker in your system. In my case, it's installed. So I close the terminal. Open your browser. In your browser, search DVWA Docker Hub. Press enter. Open the very first link. From here, we copy Docker pull command. Open your terminal again. With sudo, we paste this command. Give your password and wait. This command will pull the DVWA image from Docker Hub. In my case, I did this before, so it's fast, but in your case, it takes some time. So visit that web page again, scroll down, and here run this image. We just copy this command. Back to your terminal, with sudo, we again paste this command and press enter. This command will set up everything using Docker in your system. So it's running in our system. Open your terminal again. Type your localhost IP. Your localhost IP is 127.0.0.1 and press enter. Here we can see our DVWA login page. So our default username and password is admin and password. So username admin and password is password. Press enter. Our job not done. We need to set up the database. So scroll down. In here you can see create and reset database. Press here. It will set up your database. It just set up and it's redirect to login page